Hello there and welcome to 11 plus. This is lesson 9 and we're dealing with 11 plus maths here. So let's have a look at the first example just to get you on your way. So this particular example is called area of a grid. A grid is made up of a number of unit squares and we can see the example here. So find the area of the shaded shape on the grid itself. So with this particular question, we can see that this particular shape here has 3 squares as a width and 4 squares as a length. So we can just multiply 3 times 4, which is 12 centimeters squared. So remember that area, the answer for area is always written as centimeters squared or meters squared because you're multiplying 2 numbers together. And we write centimeter squared as this symbol here. So cm for centimeters and a small 2 on the top right hand side, which means squared. So the shaded shape on the grid is a rectangle. Its length is 4 units and width is 3 units. Area of the shaded shape will be length times width, and it's 4 times 3, which is equals to 12 centimeters squared. A shape like this, you can also count the squares as well. So if you count the squares, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can also work out that this particular grid has 12 squares that are shaded red. And the answer is going to be 12 centimeters squared. Just like here on the right hand side, we can see this particular rectangle and it has 10 particular squares. So in this case, it will be 10 centimeter squared. Now, if you look at the following question, this grid is formed from 1 centimeter squares. So 1 centimeter, so 1 square equals 1 centimeter squared, roughly speaking. So what is the area of the shape that's drawn on this grid here? So what we can do with this one, because it's very difficult to actually multiply the width and the length, because this particular shape here does not have equal sides and it has various sides, we can just count the squares within this. So let's count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 full squares, and we're going to go and count the rest of them as well. So 11 and a half, 12, and then 12 and a half there. So in this case, your answer is going to be 12.5 centimeters squared. So you can actually count half the squares as a half and 2 halves make a whole as a 1. And that's how you can work out this particular question. So just remember, with the rest of this particular task, there are various different types of questions. And please do use the images and formulas to help you answer the rest of the questions. And good luck. Thank you.